100,000 5 years ago.
Hello? He hung up on me. All right, I'm going to try and call this number again. See if I'm still blocked. Hmm?
Like you did before, try to get them to hang up on you so you can get that.
That I want to buy a car?
You want to look at it.
Hello? I think they still know my number. They just listened. They just let it go, like they answered but didn't say anything.
Really?
Yeah. Should I try and call them from your phone? Thanks, Surfshark, for all the things you do. Surfshark can provide me with a fake phone number.
For free? I mean,
Probably not for free.
with your
Maybe with my subscription. I'm not sure.
You should explain to people.
Well, that's what I was trying to do. A nice intro. You said, yeah, follow the script. Wow, look at these sweet cars. Look at these awesome prices. I can get a 1970 Plymouth Cuda AAR for only $16,000. In what good condition it is in. I can't click on it. Nothing happens. What's this screen here? I was interested in picking up this Corvette Roadster you guys have.
Which one? What year?
1962.
1962. Corvette, the Roadster. Let me check if it's still available. Hold on 1 second. Still available at the moment. How may I help you with this?
How do I go about getting it? Do I just come to where you guys are and pay for it and pick it up, or what's the easiest thing to do here?
Yeah, you have two options. First is you can come here, visit our site, pay in cash or in check, and you can also do some test drive inspection to the car. The second one, we can deliver or ship the unit straight to your door, pay in wire bank transfer, and then we will give you 10 days trial period to test the car, test the unit, and then after that, it's up to you whether to keep the unit or return it back to us.
Okay, and where are you guys located?
Yes, we're in Anderson, South Carolina.
Okay, I'm down here in Charleston, South Carolina.
Okay, you can just drop by and book an appointment for us.
Okay, can I book an appointment now?
Yes, sir. What's your availability?
I'm really open whenever.
Okay, let me check when is the latest time for this week. Friday afternoon around 2 p.m. Would you be available?
Yeah, what's your, let me get a pen real quick. What's your guys' physical number, address?
Yeah, 1516 South Murray Avenue.
Murray?
Murray, Murray.
Okay, and then I did have a couple other questions about the car. Has it been, says it's got 40,000 miles on it. Has it been restored recently? Is it semi-original, original?
I can forward your information to one of our mechanics. They'll be the ones able to answer all of your questions regarding the unit, regarding the car.
Oh no, it's okay. We'll just come look at it. If you don't know right offhand, that's totally fine. Okay, and who am I speaking with?
Yeah, this is Maria.
Maria, and are you going to be my salesperson or?
No, sir. There's someone on site that will handle your account.
Okay.
Alrighty, thank you so much.
Thank you.
You do have a wonderful day.
You too.
Okay, so Teddy, we have the lot that comes up here. When you put it into Google Maps, put in Dennis Tinsley Motors. Zoom in on Anderson, South Carolina. You come into United Auto Repair. Very weird. Right on top of it. And this looks to be an actual business. An actual auto shop. But then if you click Dennis Tinsley Motors here, it takes you to a different street.
Go to the street view.
And look at that! Dennis Tinsley Motors. So there is an actual business, it looks like, called Dennis Tinsley Motors. And look at this, it's right next to the other location where it's listed now at 1516 South Murray Avenue. The other one is on Main Street. This one is on South Murray Avenue, right on top of the auto repair shop.
And this is their second address change since we've been investigating them. They had a different address when we first started looking into them. They were like across the street from an upholstery shop.
And there's this street view for the auto repair shop. This is what it looks like at the current location of Dennis Tinsley Motors, 1516 South Murray.
We called them, and I think they get a lot of calls. They didn't want to talk to us.
You have a wonderful day.
You too. Okay, so that went a little better than last time I was talking to an Indian dude. on that same number. Let's look here. 1516 South Murray Avenue.
I saw that a car repair place came up today. United Auto Repair.
Street view. This is from March of 2025. So this is United Auto Repair, 1516. Let's call them.
What are you gonna say?
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hey, are you guys open for business today?
Yes, I do. What do you need?
Well, I'm wondering, are you associated with Dennis Tinsley Motors?
No, sir. This is a different number. I don't know why you call me now. Okay? This is nothing to do with that person.
What's your address there? So they're in on it too. Or he's just tired of getting calls about it. But.
Well, the impression I got was that he keeps getting calls about this place called Dennis Tinsley.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. I was like, he looks legitimate. He's got vehicles there. Well, I don't think the Google car wise, but maybe these are fake pictures.
It's weird that well, he's got like photos in there. He's got reviews. Do you think he was kind of abrupt? So do you think he's like offering his address for the scam?
I do wonder about that.
So this is the street view of the location when you click the listing. The listing brings you to a different place. And remember that Google Maps is a compilation of pictures. This is from August 2003.
23?
Yeah, 2023. What did I say?
2003.
Sorry. This is from August 2023. So what Google does is it takes as many pictures as available and just puts it together. So sometimes you'll see pictures that are not up to date, pictures that just don't align, even if as you move through the street. So here we have, if you look in the back, an old, what is that, model?
It's like a Model A or a Model T. I don't really know the difference between those old ones.
Yeah, so this is interesting, and this is when I started thinking, like, what the heck is going on here? But obviously the site is a scam, and the site does not match, the website inventory does not match what we see at the lot here. So it says Dennis Tees. That's their old sign, and then they have the newer sign above it, Dennis Tinsley Motors.
Did we try the website at all?
What website?
Dennis-Tinsley-Motors.aaq.net.
Gak. It seems like these scam sites have many different domains like that. It's pretty weird.
So here's PJ's Auto World. This is who I called, and we had a good laugh with one of the car salesmen. He's very familiar with these scammers doing exactly what we're showing you they're doing in the video. And we told him they were using their listings, and he said that CUDA AAR that was on there was a listing from like 5 years ago.
I'm showing this because I want to show you what a real dealership looks like and a real classic dealership. So this is a sign of a real place, more established. It's got actual photos. That other site was just stuck in the middle of nowhere, and you can see clearly there is true classic car inventory. Then when you do the street view, come in and you see, yes, that is the Google car showing this is a real place. Look at the nice cars here. If you want to tell us what cars you're seeing, Teddy.
Nice cars. I see some nice cars there. Oh yeah. There's a Mercedes. They're not really that nice. There's an old Mustang GT, a Land Rover.
Oh no, Mustang.
And quite a few Plymouths. There's a 68 Chevelle.
And there's their signage. That's important too.
Oh, is that a Pontiac? I don't know. Obviously, I don't know every car in the world.
So it
Ooh,
was-
there's an S10 Blazer. That's a beauty right
Heck
there.
yeah.
That looks like the last of the square bodies. That's probably a 93.
Oh boy. Yeah, so you can see that the inventory changed now because this part of the map has used an older photo or a newer photo. Oh, this one actually says February 2025.
67 Nova's probably the one right there. And then there's a Mustang. Oh no, that's a Camaro. SS or an RS? That's an RS. It's got the hideaway. Could be an SS RS. And then that's probably a hot rod Ford. Hopefully a special edition Corvette. Otherwise, I don't like those.
So you can actually see the inventory inside. You can see the building, the signage. This is a legit dealership. Could
We
just
should be
a,
able to look up who the business owner is.
It could be a front business.
Yeah, we should be able to look up who the owner is, though.
This is interesting too. This is very interesting. So this is South Carolina Secretary of State, LLC searching for Dennis Tinsley Motors. And
That's in North Carolina?
South Carolina. So look at this. It says Dennis Tinsley Motors, and it's active. Status.
Look at the address.
Yeah, the address too. And this is really crazy. So what most likely happened is they took I think this guy retired. I believe this business was founded in like 1967. So most likely this guy had a little dealership and he retired. And then his LLC just kept going because there's not really a way to, unless you like actually go out and dissolve it, right?
Yeah, you usually have to go dissolve it.
So these people take these retired old businesses and they freaking hijack the carcass. It's like these zombie businesses. They take over the business.
It has the right address. So did they used to be at where that car repair shop is?
Only want to go off like hard evidence, but there's enough evidence to say that what these people do is they take old retired businesses and take them over, and then they clone listings from places like PJ's Auto World. That's what they do. And then we found another one too. It was SNS Auto, and they cloned a place called Gearhead Garage, I believe. Gearhead Classics.
So let's call them back and say, hey, I've looked up the address and it came up as United Auto Repair LLC.
Planning your trip out.
Or see if they just blocked the number.
Yeah.
I don't know how to use this phone anymore. Okay, there it is.
Hi. No one is available to answer your call. Please leave a message.
Okay, so I went back to once I saw. Sorry, like my wife does most of the research. She's like the one that thinks of these things, and then I'm kind of like the idea guy sometimes. So when I saw that they actually had this address where United Auto Repair is, this is a 2018, December of 2018.
You can look through the different dates there.
Yeah, so here's what you guys saw on the screen when we were doing the voiceover. That's their new sign. So I was like, well, let me look at older dates. Maybe they really did have their business there. So here's the last evidence of their business right there. And just let me zoom in a little bit. You can actually see Dennis Tinsley Motors on the building behind that sign as well.
That's like their sign that they had from the other building.
Yeah,
like blue
so
or green
here's
or something.
2013.
They moved it over. They moved.
Look,
Upgraded.
Dennis Tinsley Motors,
Yeah.
2013 at the 1516 location. And you can actually see, 2012? They're starting to go away from the classic cars, it looks like. That's not, 1980s doesn't count. Okay, there we go. There's a couple oldies there. That one is in need of some restoration. Maybe an old Chevrolet. And then back to 2008 when cameras didn't work. You can still see his signs there, though.
Yeah.
Not sure what that says.
It looks like the auto repair sign. Wait, when is that? Is that older?
This is from 2008. That's why the camera sucks. All right, let's go forward a little bit and see if we get a better picture. Oh, what date is it? We're set for 2008? Okay, we are. Pawn Plus. Buy, sell, and trade. So that's who was there before him. But the Dennis Tinsley Motor sign is still there. And this was 2012.
Look, and that says Tinsley
But
Motors.
Tinsley Motors and Realty. So they must have been sharing for a while before he come out on his own. But yeah, so they were actually at this location, but it was over 10 years ago. United Auto Repair. The first time I see evidence of them is 2016. Boom, got their sign up.
So that
Still got Tinsley Motor on the window.
So that other location was probably their original or a second location, right?
Yeah, it was either a second location or their original, correct.
And they moved here, and now it's United Auto Repair.
Or they had one lot for other, like staging or whatever, and then this was where they did got the cars ready for sale.
Yeah, because I noticed there wasn't really a lot at the other building.
Yeah, this one's got a
There were no cars.
parking
over there.
area out here, or this might be a lot, I'm not sure. But yeah, one could have just been for incoming, and then this is where they prepped them and put them up for sale.
Or like their office or...
Also possible. They got a nice bullpen, it looks like. I think this is theirs.
I mean, we'll
Yeah.
also be able to tell something because of that sign. Or maybe it's the second sign.
Yeah, so here we are. We found a little something, didn't we?
Yep.
What's this? Dennis T's
Oh, well, that's nice.
Retired Automobiles is what I think it says. So this is his little shop here too.
I didn't think
Another
to
old
investigate
Mercedes.
That place. It's very smart of you, Jenny.
Oh, thanks, honey.
I was just looking at the other location where it said Dennis Tinsley on it.
Well, once I saw that the LLC said it was this address, I had to check it.
Right. No, that was right.
It only made sense to me.
Yep.
But yeah, it looks like they had a back area too. Classic Auto Service. I think Dennis Tinsley might have owned that too.
Wow.
So there's two shops side by side. Oh, I know how that is. It's fun.
Try PJ's Auto World. PJ's Auto World.
They're the actual place, right?
Yeah. Can you put that down, please? Put that down.
Hey, where's your sister?
She's outside.
We'll go keep an eye on her, okay? Put that down like Mommy asked you to. Hey, how you doing?
Doing well. How about yourself?
I'm good. Are you guys related to Dennis Tinsley Motors?
No.
Okay, so you guys are your own thing.
Correct.
I think these people are stealing your listings and
Another scam website out?
yeah,
What is it called? Dennis what?
Dennis Tinsley Motor.
Tinsley Motors?
Yeah, motor.
Motor?
Yeah, so it's Dennis DennisTinsley motor.com.
Let's see. Yeah, they get some of our cars on there for sure. Old cars. Stuff we sold before, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not a real website.
Yeah.
Awful.
My father called them and I was like,
Hilarious.
yeah, I was like, Dad, let me talk to him, and then they just hung up on me.
Jeez. AAR CUDA for 16 grand.
Yeah, exactly.
For like 100,000 5 years ago.
Yeah, I was laughing. I was like, it looks like it doesn't need to be restored, but that's a definitely I need to be restored price.
Oh my
Like,
gosh.
that's-
Yeah, no, this is probably the worst one I've seen.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Cool. Yeah, thank you. We'll probably be expecting a lot of phone calls about that. They go in spurts. And all these fake websites pop up. All right, cool, man.
Hilarious.
You looking for anything in particular? We do. You saw our website, correct? You with the PJ's Auto?
Yeah. My dad was looking for that. He wanted that Riviera, but I know that one's gone too. And they had it listed for like $12,000. He's like, this is way too cheap. He's like, I gotta get this now. And I was like, Dad, let me look at that real quick.
Yeah.
Like, you know as well as I do, that is far too cheap.
Oh, for sure. All right, man. Yeah, thanks for the call. I'll let them know. We get probably calls on that now.
All right, thanks.
All right, man. Have a
Take
good
care.
one.
You too. Guess he gets a lot of it. So it's a scam. Dennis Tinsley Motors, shame on you. Pretty sure it's an Indian company. The first two people I talked to when I called for my father were both Indian. Spoke good English, but you could still tell. It's a shame, you guys. Look out for your parents. They get tricked. My dad didn't even believe me at first. He was like, oh, there's no way. There's no way. No, I talked to the guy.
It looks legit because it comes from a legit dealership.
Mm-hmm.
So it has all the specs, all the information, tons of photos. So it's like, if you have that many photos, it's got to be real, you know?
You hear what he said? We sold that for $105,000. I'm like, dude, 60 grand is way too cheap.